Pressure washers offer a dramatic improvement in outdoor cleaning efficiency, enabling homeowners to tackle concrete, siding, decks, and vehicles with adjustable power and targeted nozzles. The category spans corded electric machines, cordless battery-powered options, and models with varying PSI and GPM ratings, which directly influence cleaning speed and water usage. Product number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX3500 is positioned as a premium electric washer with strong cleaning power and thoughtful design. It delivers up to 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, with a practical 2,500 PSI/1.2 GPM rating in typical operation. The Pro-Style 17.5-inch extendable steel wand and quick connect nozzle set, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap provide flexible targeting for cars, fences, driveways, and patios. A notable feature is the anti-tipping chassis with 4 quick lock wheels and 360-degree steering, which makes deployment easier on uneven surfaces and reduces the risk of tip-overs during operation. An onboard 20-ounce soap tank supports dosing detergents without needing an external bottle, and an energy-saving pump shutoff when the trigger is released helps extend motor life. The unit weighs about 21 pounds and includes a 25-foot hose for a reasonable reach, all backed by a 3-year limited warranty. In real-world use, the EPX3500 offers solid cleaning performance for typical homeowner tasks, such as removing tire tracks from pavements, washing siding, and refreshing outdoor furniture. The 1.76 GPM flow at full pressure is adequate for most everyday jobs, while the 20-ounce soap tank simplifies soap application for deck scrubs or fence cleaning. The setup feels premium thanks to the metal wand and durable hose. However, at its price point, customers may still compare it with other mid-range electric washers that might offer longer hoses or lighter footprints. The anti-tipping design and motor protection features are a clear advantage for stability and longevity, especially for novice users. Product number 2. Pressure washer. The MZK unit targets higher pressure cleaning at a budget price, advertising up to 5,200 PSI with a flow of 3 GPM. It includes 4 quick connect metal nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and a foam cannon, expanding versatility for heavy dirt, concrete, and vehicle washing. The machine is designed for portability with a 21-foot hose, 17-foot power cord, and 4 swivel wheels for maneuverability. It accepts water from a faucet or a bucket, increasing its flexibility for locations without a direct water hookup. A safety switch provides a basic layer of protection against accidental startups, and the device is described as easy to store with a compact footprint. In practice, the MZK excels at stubborn grime thanks to its higher pressure and the ability to use a foam cannon for detergents. The 3 GPM flow reduces cleaning time on large areas like driveways, but consumers should be mindful of potential flingback and surface care on delicate materials due to higher PSI. The ability to pull water from buckets can be a boon for camping or remote cleaning, though the overall weight, 18 pounds, and 21-foot hose may still feel modest when scaling bigger tasks. The absence of an onboard detergent tank is offset by the foaming accessory and detergent compatibility. Product number 3. Pressure washer. LW2 offers a compact electric washer with a claimed 2.5 GPM flow and 4 quick connect metal nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, plus a foam cannon. The design emphasizes ease of movement with 2 rollers and anti-tipping features, plus dual water sourcing from a faucet or bucket. The unit is portable, 16.6 pounds, and stores neatly with a 25-foot hose and standard nozzle kit aimed at home tasks like driveways, patios, decks, and vehicles. Its emphasis on stability, simple operation, and integrated storage hooks make it a straightforward choice for casual cleaners. In performance terms, the LWQ model provides respectable cleaning power for a light to moderate workload. The 2.5 GPM flow aligns with common consumer expectations, and the foam cannon helps with detergent application for routine cleaning. The device's anti-tipping design and dual water input options improve reliability during transport and use on uneven surfaces. However, as a mid-pack option, it may lag behind higher-end or specialty models in terms of build materials or warranty length. Product number 4. YKYI Cordless Pressure Washer Battery Powered. The YKYI cordless option emphasizes portability and freedom from mains power with a 30-speed level adjustable performance, delivering 1200 psi and 3 GPM via a 300-watt motor. It ships with a 24-volt battery, 30,000 mAh, and a 24-foot hose, plus a 6-in-1 nozzle and foam sprayer. The dual water source capability, garden hose and bucket drawing via built-in filter, adds flexibility for on-the-road or garden use. The package includes accessories like a storage toolbox and car wash gloves, aiming to deliver consumer convenience for smaller cleaning tasks and on-the-go jobs. In practice, the cordless design makes this machine ideal for cars, bicycles, patio furniture, and light exterior cleaning, where running a power cord is impractical. The 1200 psi is modest compared with corded machines, but the 30 speed levels allow fine-tuning to minimize surface damage on paint and wood. Battery runtime and safety protections are important considerations. The large 30,000 mAh capacity promises extended use, but charging times and life cycle costs should be weighed against corded options. The lightweight form factor, 7 pounds, makes it extremely portable, though task throughput will be limited by lower PSI and GPM than mains-powered units. Product number 5. Westinghouse EPX3100 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX3100 sits between entry-level and premium segments with a 2300 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, plus a capable 1900 PSI/1.24 GPM rating in standard operation. It uses a pro-style steel wand with 4 quick-connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap nozzles, an onboard 20-ounce soap tank, and anti-tipping wheels for stability. It shares the same build philosophy as the EPX3500, with a compact footprint and similar physical dimensions, 25-foot hose length, 16.5 to 19 pounds depending on model. The 3-year warranty and nationwide support add reassurance for longer-term ownership. In use, the EPX3100 delivers reliable, everyday cleaning for deck stains, siding grime, and vehicle washing, with enough PSI and flow to manage the majority of home tasks. The onboard soap tank and anti-tipping design reduce clutter and misfires during cleaning. While not the most powerful unit in the lineup, its value proposition lies in a balanced performance, solid construction, and generous warranty coverage. Users with larger driveways or heavier cleaning loads may prefer higher PSI models, but for typical residential cleaning, this model offers a dependable, lower-cost alternative.